What is up, guys? Thanks once again for tuning into the channel. So I know it looks a little bit cramped in here, but I'm at the KICKSTW store out in Oakley. The good folks there have let me kindly let me do this review for you guys. I'm going to do a review for these babies. These are, as it says here, the Air Jordan 1 Retros in the high OG NRGs, and you probably know them as the not for resale sneakers. So a lot of hype has been going on about these actual sneakers. You can actually tell why, because of its main detailing, where it says all over, like, you know, that you should actually wear your actual sneakers. You can say that, you can actually see there, it says no photos. On the actual side, oh excuse me, on the side there it says not for resale. Now how much are people actually going to listen to that actual statement? You tell me. So once again, this is the Varsity Red and the Black and Sail colorway. So initially when photos of these leaked, a lot of people in the sneaker community were actually, you know, getting stirred up, because they were saying all these things, like as you can see there, it says no photos, not for resale, wear me, crease, you know, crease, please crease me, and all that kind of stuff. So people were like, oh man, this is, you know, this is gonna be a really genuinely nice sneaker to actually wear, especially for sneakerheads out there, especially the ones that are fans of actual Jordan 1s, because the culture has kind of changed where you know, a lot of people were just buying sneakers just to resell. So people wanted, you know, the guys from Nike actually just wanted to basically make a sneaker where you can actually just wear. Now the problem with this is that, as you guys probably already know from the releases that have just actually happened, people were lining up and all this stuff, and the problem was that it was made in limited quantities. But you can probably see there, I don't know if you guys can actually see there in that detailing there, it says general release, but the problem was it wasn't general release. So a lot of people camped out for this, and obviously the resale value on these went pretty high, and unfortunately to say, a lot of people probably missed out. You know, a lot of people that actually did want to wear them missed out, because a lot of other people wanted to buy them, so for the purpose of just reselling. But hey, that's okay. If they want to do that, that's their game. And if you missed out like me, well, you just gotta live on and kind of pay the high price. So currently I think it's going for 134 or something like that, like a price like that on StockX, which is you know, which is generally you know, the normal price when it comes to sneakers when they just come out. So I don't know if these are actually going to trend down in price, but hopefully it does, so that you know, people that actually want to wear them can actually get a better price for them. But definitely this shoe is you know, it's something that you actually really want. It's something that I really do want. Obviously this is not my sneaker, because that's why it's not laced, and you know, I would love to actually wear these. These are actually my size 9.5, so it kind of makes me want to cry, but you know, it's all good, it's all good. You know, we all kind of, there'll be more sneakers that we can always cop later on. So some of the main detailing you can see, it says here, not for resale. On the inside of this shoe, on the right shoe, it says general release, and on the top, I'll get both shoes so you can actually see it. It says there, wear me, wear me. Also on the left shoe, it's got on the inside, it says, sorry, this pair is not numbered. And it also, yeah, it says, if you look, you have to look at it from like the wearer's point of view. It says here, please crease. So these shoes really indicate that, you know, they really want you to actually wear these sneakers. So you know, those people that actually do get them, I hope they do really enjoy it, because this would be a dream to wear. I love Jordan 1s. I would probably go to say that you know, the sizing will probably be the same. I'll probably say that it's going to be true to size, like a normal Jordan 1, because all Jordan 1s probably fit the same anyway. And yeah, like these ones, my breads are a size 9.5. Shout out to Alex from Lace Space, of course. I don't know if you guys can see that, it says KIXPLORE. Oh, dude brace, custom dude brace. Thanks Alex, and thanks Lace Space for this for the laces and the dude. So these released out in multiple areas already, and a lot of people were saying that, you know, resale price was going to go skyrocketing because they are a limited release. So once again, to be clear, this is not my pair. This is just a pair that I'm actually just showing to you guys, so you guys have a first hand look at what this actual sneaker looks like, and yeah, just to give my little opinions on them. So firstly, you can notice around the toe area or the mudguard area, it is black. I would like to say it's tumbled leather. It's only lightly tumbled. As you can see, this tumbled leather stretches around onto the eye stays here, and also onto this black collar strap that they have here. So that it looks like there's actually different types of leather that's you know, put on this actual sneaker. You can see as well on the mid paneling on the sides of the shoe, it's got more of this. It's like the tumbled leather looks more, to me it looks more plush. I don't know, for some reason I like that look better than what I see here or on the actual mudguard area. You can see also as well where it says no on this on the counter, the heel counter leather is actually, yeah, it's really, that leather is different as well. It looks like it's, yeah, like more better quality on this actual part of the shoe. That's just my general opinion and my first-hand observations, but it looks like it's a well-made shoe. I've heard people say that this kind of make is actually a little bit how do I say this, it's like it's not as good quality as maybe something like the shattered backboards, but to me generally I think it looks like a really well-made shoe. So as you can see as well on the actual tag, it says wear me here. So normally this has the Nike Air tag, but they just replace it with wear me, so it makes sure that you actually want to wear the shoes. And as you guys can see on the inside down here, it says no L's, which is really ironic because a lot of people probably did have a lot of L's taking this actual shoe, which is just how it is, you know. This kind of, it's just funny how life is, and how you know, like whenever you line up for a general release, and that's how it just always ends up happening. But you know, there's always another chance for you to actually get these sneakers via StockX or visit your local reseller like KICKSTW. And on the back, it's got the main detailing there, which says no photos. Now, how many people will actually buy this and not take photos? Come on, that is just so hypocritically wrong, because everyone that buys this sneaker is eventually gonna take photos, even if they don't even post it up on Facebook or social media. They're gonna take photos of these because why? One thing, it is limited. That's one thing, and two, because it's a dope shoe. It's an Air Jordan 1. Of course, people are gonna be taking photos of this, and they're gonna flex online. I mean, your boy, you know, that if he got these sneakers, he would be flexing online, and that will just have to come on a later date, I think. Maybe when I can actually afford these shoes. And as you can see on the, it's got the normal, how do I say this? Normal Jordan 1 midsole. It's got the normal, it's very similar to the Chicago 1s, I would like to say, the midsole, but obviously it's got this main detailing here, which says not for resale. So ironic how this shoe has come about. This would definitely, all these kind of statements that are written on it would definitely come true if, how do I say this, if they made it a general release. A lot of people would actually wear these, but right now, you know, they're going for that really special price, the really high special price. Also, this comes in, if you guys don't know, it always comes with different colored laces. Like this one, it's got the varsity red, so depending on how you like your laces, the colors of your laces, you can change them up. And yeah, it's also got the main Nike detailing here as well, as you can see with the black swoosh here, and the white Wings Jordan brand logo. You know, that's really standard in all Jordan 1 sneakers. So that's pretty much the, you know, the gist or the main parts of the actual sneaker, guys. Personally and honestly, I am a really big fan of these shoes. I envy the guy that gets these pair of shoes, because once again, these are my size and I wish I could actually get them. But hey, you know, whoever gets these, I hope you really enjoy it. And if you do buy these, if you were one of the very few people that actually did buy these, I really do hope you actually wear them, crease them, take photos. You can take photos. There's no way you're not going to take photos of a sneaker like this. You know, I just really hope you actually enjoy it. This also came out in a yellow colorway. Now, I want to know what your guys' thoughts are on that. So, do you guys prefer the yellow or this varsity red color? Are you actually gonna buy these to not take photos, or are you actually gonna buy these to actually you know, flex online? You know, let me know in the comments below what you're actually doing with these sneakers, because a lot of people, I could tell, you know, firstly, I think these would have sold out so quickly just so that you know, people could resell them, but that's just the game. You know, if you really do want to wear these, you're gonna have to pay a little bit of a higher price. So this is basically it. This is like my review for these sneakers. I really highly recommend that if you can get these, get them at a good price, at the best price. And I just want to give it a little shout out to KICKSTW once again for letting me do this review. Check them out. They got a store out in Oakley, and they have a store out in the city. So once again, thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you learned something from this video and got something out of it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. I got some more videos coming out, and also I don't know if you guys can actually tell from my actual Instagram, I am doing a video. Sorry, I'm doing a music video with Little Jace. So check that out, guys. You know, stay tuned for that, because it's going to be really, really sick. So once again, if you did like the video, give me that big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video.